Hey everyone, welcome back to VIP Auto TV. I'm on a mission to hit 1,000 subscribers before October 30th, so hit that subscribe button and join the ride. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Rolls-Royce, a true masterpiece of luxury and performance. Starting with the design, this car is a head-turner. From the iconic Rolls-Royce grille to sleek lines, it's elegant yet powerful. What's amazing is that you can fully customize the car, choose your color, finishes, and more, making it uniquely yours. Under the hood, it's packing a 6.75-liter V12 engine with 563 horsepower. That means smooth, effortless acceleration and a ride that feels like you're gliding on air. Whether on highways or city streets, it's all about comfort and power. Inside, it's pure luxury. The seats, heated, cooled, and even massaging. Everything from the leather to the wood is handcrafted and customizable. Plus, it's loaded with tech. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an incredible sound system that makes every ride an experience. Safety is top-notch with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and automatic braking. And Rolls-Royce is moving towards sustainability with eco-friendly materials and future electric options. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help me hit 1,000 subscribers by October 30th. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.